Alright, so got the pulley bolted on to our new Stewart water pump. And pulley does hit a little bit, which honestly is kind of common on Stewart pumps, mainly because they're very strong and they have these excess ribs inside in here. You can see it. I should turn the light on, but so we just need to kind of clearance those a little bit, which I've had to do plenty of times before. It's not a big deal. Just clearance them up a little bit, and then we've got. So I've already ground a little bit, and it's better, but you can see it touches right there on that rib. So we're gonna hit it a little bit more, right? So you can see I bolted it back down and then spun the pulley, so you can see where it's hitting. See where that black is right there? It's hitting there. It's hitting a little bit up here. Easy peasy. Go to town with the grinder. So I've got marks here and there. Got one here and right across here. So I'm going to get on the inside of this. We'll get it good. All right. So as you can see, we have our rib clearanced nicely. Our other rib in here is clearanced. So now we're just touching a little bit here on the edge. We just need to grind a little more. But it's clear all the way to this corner. All right, so you can see there's still a little mark there and there. And we got clearance a little bit in here, but this one's clear. So tomorrow when I get here, we will dig in a little deeper, get it ground, get everything working. Pretty standard issue on a Stewart pump. You do have to clearance a little bit, but it's worth it for the quality.